Looking for the ultimate combination of power and precision? Let's dive into this year's top contenders. Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 most powerful and accurate air rifles of 2025, all of which are available on Amazon, links in the description. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or just starting your air rifle journey, this list has something for everyone. Stick around because we're revealing the top pick at the end, and trust me, it's a game changer. Ready to find your next air rifle? Let's get started. 5. Crosman Cacone Full or Semi-Auto BB Air Rifle. Kicking things off is the Crosman Cacone, a CO2-powered BB rifle built for pure fun and performance. Performance fires at 430 FPS with a blistering full-auto mode capable of over 1,400 rounds per minute. Switch to semi-auto for more controlled shots. Features: the 28-round dropout magazine holds 2 CO2 cartridges for extended sessions, while the quad-mounting rail system lets you attach scopes, flashlights, or grips. Build: full-sized and durable with a synthetic design, foldable buttstock, and comfortable pistol grip for all-day use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Cacone delivers speed, customization, and adrenaline-filled action. Just don't forget to stock up on CO2 cartridges. They're essential for this beast. 4. SAUER MCX Rattler Canebrake Air Rifle. Next up, we have the SAUER Power MCX Rattler Canebrake, a .177 caliber cane-powered air rifle that combines style and functionality. Performance fires pellets at up to 600 FPS with precision, perfect for target practice or accuracy drills. Features includes a 30-round rapid pellet magazine and flip-up sights mounted on a Picatinny rail for easy customization. Build quality: the metal receiver and synthetic handguard with MLOK compatibility mimic a professional-grade firearm. This air rifle isn't just about looks. It's built to SIG's legendary standards, offering power, precision, and a premium feel. Whether you're training or just having fun, the Canebrake delivers a pro-level experience. Rate: Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X GN3I Inertia Air Rifle. Boom! Taking the third spot is the Gamo Swarm Fusion, a high-performance break-barrel air rifle packed with innovative features. Performance fires 22 caliber alloy pellets at a powerful 1,000 FPS. Innovation: the 10X GN3I inertia-fed magazine allows for 10 quick shots without needing to reload. Noise control: Whisper Fusion technology ensures it's one of the quietest air rifles, perfect for stealthy pest control or target shooting. With an adjustable cat trigger, RRR recoil-reducing rail, and a 3.9x scope included, this rifle offers a seamless shooting experience. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the Swarm Fusion is built to perform and last. 2. SAUER MCX Virtus PCP Pellet Air Rifle. It includes mixes lifted wedge-based self-loading. In second place is the SIG SAUER MCX Virtus, a PCP air rifle designed for power and precision. Performance: semi-automatic with a 17.5-inch barrel for consistent accuracy, delivering reliable results for both target practice and small game hunting. Standout feature: the rapid pellet magazine holds 30 rounds and doubles muzzle energy compared to standard CO2 rifles, ensuring consistent power. Customization: comes with flip-up sights and a 1913 accessory rail for adding optics or other attachments. Durable, versatile, and highly accurate, the Virtus is more than a training tool. It's an experience. Whether you're hitting targets or hunting, this rifle delivers unmatched reliability. 1. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X GEN3I Inertia Air Rifle. Finally, the top spot goes to the Gamo Swarm Magnum, a .22 caliber powerhouse that redefines performance and convenience. Power: delivers up to 1,300 FPS with PBA Platinum pellets, making it a top-tier choice for hunting and precision shooting. Game-changing tech: features the 10X G3I quick-shot system, allowing you to fire 10 pellets without reloading. Smooth shooting: the IGT Mach 1 gas piston reduces vibration and ensures consistent power, while the cat trigger offers full adjustability for precision control. The growth team at IGT With dual safety systems, Whisper Maxim noise-dampening technology, and a fluted polymer-jacketed steel barrel, the Swarm Magnum combines power, safety, and accuracy in a sleek package. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a newcomer, this rifle will elevate your shooting experience. Final thoughts. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 most powerful and accurate air rifles of 2025. From the rapid-fire Crosman Seacone to the versatile SIG MCX Virtus, and finally the feature-packed Gamo Swarm Magnum, there's something here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to get your hands on these incredible air rifles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.